Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos and I'm in Plovdiv, Bulgaria, and I'm at the Klianti House. Let me show you some information about this and then we'll go inside and take a look. I bought a ticket. So this is the Klianti House, and I bought a ticket so you can see 5 different places. Klianti House is one of the oldest wooden frame residential buildings from Bulgaria Revival, the period blah blah blah. Klianti House was declared a national antiquity in 1945, but it was built in what, 10, 15, 18, so 1700s, and it's a wooden house. And you can see all the tourists here, but and the guy gave me lots of great information. So the people used to live on the bottom floor, and they were shorter ceilings, but then on the upper floor they'd invite their guests to show off. So let's go look here. And hit pause as needed. Thank you again.
You're welcome.
And this is upstairs this way?
Yes, sir. This way.
Okay.
You go upstairs.
Okay, I'm gonna look in here. So the families would live on the bottom floors. So this is like a 10-foot ceiling, so I get it. Oh, and the heater. And I bought a combined ticket. And so you get 5 places for the price of 3. Let's go upstairs, because I think that looked best.
48 hours. So in case you have time longer, you can leave, for example, 2 or 3 times.
Okay. Wow. And it's all wood. Everything is wood. Desks is wood, chairs are wood. Huh. And these ceilings are taller. The Klianti House. And he's also said that yeah, homie ain't going in that door. That's a little short. That people would pay extra, and they would travel the world. So they'd travel to the Western countries in Western United States and to Asia and everything else, and then they would bring back certain things and ideas. And it's like, these are one of the first houses that had like bathrooms, he said too. So I think that's pretty amazing. So yeah, pretty staggering. Indoor bathrooms. Let me rephrase that. Wow, look at this room. Nice guy. Short doors. You got a duck. Wow. Wow, that's amazing. So this is where the guests would come and stay. Huh. Wow. And he also said something else. If you have a phone, you can take pictures, and they don't usually hassle you. But if you have an expensive camera, like a DLR with a lens and all that kind of stuff, that they'll probably charge you 6 leva to take pictures. Huh. Okay, very cool. Let's go to the, oh, there's information on these too. Ziegler Davis design, and you can hit pause if you need to. Oh, is it the carpet? Ziegler Davis designed back to 1883 using leading design of the master weavers from Iran and Europe. Ziegler and company managed to create the design using the software palettes. Okay, so it's all about the floors, the carpets. Wow. Very cool. I guess I'll get a picture of that too. Let's go to that next room. Wow. That's pretty amazing, isn't it? Huh. Wow. Yeah, the ceilings really are amazing, aren't they? And the artistry around the edges. Wow. Very cool. The Klianti House. Little serving area, maybe? Oy. And I think that's it. Just some rich person's house. And more of the carpets. So if you ever see one of these carpets, you need to buy it. Very cool. Okay, everybody. Hey, thanks for coming along.